Prime Minister Modi met with state chief ministers today to discuss a graded exit strategy from the lockdown. Prime Minister Modi is also believed to have told chief ministers not to let their guard down even as a staggered lifting of restrictions is planned post May the 3rd, especially in coronavirus-free zones. Apart from resumption of some economic activities, states are also likely to have pressed for more financial assistance and availability of personal protective equipments, ventilators and testing kits. The centre flagged the shortage of critical care infrastructure, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Assam, as these states had the largest number of districts with grave shortages of isolation beds, ventilators and ICU beds. According to data presented at a meeting between states and the centre, 183 districts across the country have fewer than 100 isolation beds, and 67 of these districts have seen cases of coronavirus infection. Kerala's Idukki and Kottayam districts have suddenly seen a spurt of 21 coronavirus cases in the last 4 days. These districts had been categorized as green zones with relaxed curbs. On Sunday, 11 people from these two districts tested positive. 7 of them got the disease through contact. For some, the source of infection was not immediately clear. The Income Tax Department today rejected a report by a team of 50 young Indian Revenue Services officers suggesting the government to hike income tax rates for super rich and imposing a COVID relief cess of 4% for those earning above 4 lakh rupees. Finance Ministry officials claimed the report by some IRS officials was ill-conceived and its circulation to the media was an irresponsible act of few officers who will be asked to explain their misconduct. E-commerce giants Amazon India and Flipkart have urged the government to let them sell non-essential items during the lockdown. As of now, they can deliver only essential items. The companies say that letting them sell all goods will help hundreds of thousands of small businesses jumpstart their livelihoods. They also highlighted that many items categorized as non-essentials can become of necessity over a prolonged time. Top officials of South Korea said that North Korean leader Kim Jong-un is alive and well. This follows speculation about the leader's death, fueled by rumors of his failing health and his absence from a key anniversary. The South Korean advisor said that Kim had been staying in Wonsan, a resort town in the country's east, since April the 13th.